Hey, dear Coco. You're not spoiled, are you? It's okay, neither is Mama. She's going for a ride. She may not get up. You're fine, Coco. Where are you going? Why are you getting down? Why are you getting down?
Coco's kind of like Ladybug.
Why are you getting down?
Let's go spray real quick and then try to come with you.
Not leaving till later. Come on, let's go. Blackie leading the pack. Friends, I don't think she's gonna wake up. She's taking a nap. Come on, let's go. Jump. At least everything's all melted now. It feels kind of nice out here right now. Everything's melting. It's hot, there's ice, but I'm barefooted and it's not cold. Well, not exactly. I couldn't stay out here though. Of course, I don't know what it's going to do to this green grass. Might not be green after all this. I think my rain barrel might still be frozen. Just a little. Coco, Blackie, Prince, you can come back up here. What y'all doing out there? What is it? What do you smell? Hi. Run, Prince, run. Come on, Coco. Come on, Blackie. Here. Come on. Here. Let's go. Come on, Coco. Blackie, come on. Let's go. Here. Come on. Come on. You better hurry up, Coco. She's going to get you. Good girl.